Good morning, guys. We're at Walmart. It's early, so I'm gonna really try to knock this out. Now for this haul, I have my midweek, and for that I need 18 rebates for $5. Gonna make this super quick because my coffee is still hot in the car and I want it to still be hot when I get back out there. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, we're over here in the aisle. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to also ring the little notification bell so you don't miss out on the videos. Without further ado, let's jump on in. As y'all can see, look, chips. Of course, we're gonna be stacking this chip deal with something else, and so I wanted to grab a few really quick. Good morning, how's it going? Okay, so we're gonna grab, I was looking for the puffy Cheetos because those are the only kind that Josiah likes, but since they don't have any, I'm just gonna get Doritos. We're just gonna get Doritos. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, so let's go knock these deals out. So this first deal is going to be on the Martha White's cornbread. It is priced for 98 cents. I'm going to get back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also 10 cents on Tada as well, making this only 38 cents. Next deal is on the Weathers Originals popcorn. It's priced at $2.98. For this, I'm going to grab 2 of them. I'll pay $5.96 out of pocket, but I'm going to get back $4 on Tada. And then 75 cents for each on Ibotta, which is $1.50, making them only 23 cents each. Really quick while I'm over here, the Takis. The Takis in the can, that was a rebate that I did for Flavor Wiki. I found that at Rite Aid, all right, and it did work. I know somebody was thinking it wasn't gonna work, but it's literally the one that was pictured. They had that can at Rite Aid for I think $2.59, and they also have them at CVS. So I'll insert a picture. I was there yesterday and I just happened to see them. And so yeah, if you're having a hard time finding the chip in the can, it's a Pringle can. For the Takis, it's a Flavor Wiki deal. Check Rite Aid and check CVS as well. So this next deal is on the Pure Life water. For this, we're gonna grab one. They're priced at $1.28. We're gonna get back 450 kicks on the Shopkick, which is $1.80. Plus we'll also get back 10 cents for the water on Tada, making this a 62-cent moneymaker. All right, this next deal is going to be on the Rockstar. These are priced at $1.88. So we're going to grab one of those. We're going to stack this deal with the smaller bags of the Dorito chips, which are 49 cents each. We're going to use that 3 off of 5 printable there that scans perfectly. Still scanning for me, you guys. I actually used it at Vaughn's as well this week. And so that's going to bring our total down to $3.84 before the coupon. Minus the coupon, we'll pay 84 cents and get back 50 cents for the Rockstar on Ibotta, making each item only 6 cents. Really quick, guys, I just wanted to show you something. I'm still in the middle of checking out. I did one transaction and now I'm going to do the other one, but I grabbed this 4-pack of the core bars. It is, how much was it? So I wanted to try something out, and before I did talk about it, just to see if it would work. Okay, so it is priced at $7.48. You're gonna get back 50% of that back on Ibotta, which is $3.75. Now I went ahead and submitted this on for the core rebate, the free core rebate, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it, so I submitted it on there first and figured if it didn't go through, then I could just return it because I don't want to pay for it, right? Before I submitted it on Ibotta. So I submitted on there first. There goes my receipt that I submitted, and I actually got the $7.48 back, which is so awesome. And then I'm gonna submit it on Ibotta and get back $3.75, making this a $3.75 moneymaker. I guess this is what's gonna be happening. That's the finished deal, and it's definitely back. All right, so only one I actually don't have is this one right here. I think it's because I maxed it out. So anyway, so listen, so this deal is going to be on the finish. You can either get the Quatnum, which is priced at $4.12. Use the $1.50 printable from coupons.com. You'll end up paying $2.62 out of pocket, but you'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. Makes that $1.12. There's also one on the cleaner right here, which is $3.94. Use the same coupon, pay $2.44, get back $1.25 on Ibotta. Makes that $1.19. And then last but not least is the rinse at $4.47. After the $1.50 printable, you end up paying $2.97, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. So it makes that $1.72. There's also digitals on quickqs.store, ShopMium, and Alexa as well if you don't have the printable. So yeah. Of course I'm doing this deal again. It's such a killer deal. So it's on the Lysol laundry sanitizer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I'm actually just gonna max it out and do 4 of these, priced at $6.97. That's gonna bring your total to $27.88. You'll get back $16 on Tada, and then you'll also get back $6 on Ibotta, and then $3.50 on Referral for spending $20 in Lysol products. Bringing them down to 59 cents each, you guys. Now what I'm thinking of doing is using the printable right here from quickqs.store. I'll probably go ahead and use the coupon for 3 of them and then submit for Ibotta for the 4th one. And so yeah, so I'll let you guys know how that works out. But 59 cents per bottle is an awesome price considering it's normally $7. Alright, my next deal is on the Clorox bleach. It's priced at $3.58. For this deal I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll end up paying $7.16 out of pocket but getting back $4 on Tada. I'm also gonna submit on checkout 51 as well for $1.25 for each, making them only 33 cents each. If you know, you already know. You already know, you guys. I know you're tired of seeing this. I just know. Listen, we're grabbing 4 of them. Yes, we are. We're using 4 of these $2 coupons from Inserts. There's also printables as well. They both work. We'll pay a total of what out of pocket? We'll pay $13.12 out of pocket. We'll get back $8 on Ibotta, $6 on Swagbucks, and $1.25 for each one on checkout 51, making this a $5.88 moneymaker. Don't pass it up. I did find some of the powders. Those are $1.62 using the $2 printable right there. It's gonna be 38 cents of overage plus $1 back on Ibotta, making it a $1.38 moneymaker for each one, limit of 5. I was over here checking the clearance aisle and I found this. It's on clearance for $4 and it's on Ibotta for $3.50. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this too as well. I guess I might as well do this deal again. It's on the Dove Men Care Cream. It's priced at $2.47. I'm getting back 1,000 kicks on the Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4. I'm making this a $1.53 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's priced at $6.57. We're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $2 on coupons.com. Again, you could do coupons.com, you can do Alexa, you can do ShopMium, bringing the total down to $1.57. So my next deal is on the U by Kotex. It's priced for $2.97 for either 40 count or 50 count. We're gonna grab 1. We'll be using this $1.50 printable from their website for signing up, but I got mine from my handy dandy coupon fairy. That's gonna bring our total down to paying $1.82 out of pocket. But you get back $2 on Ibotta, making this an 18-cent moneymaker. Now, I've already done the deal on my Fetch Reward, but you may have offers there, and so, yeah. Of course, we're getting KY, because why not? Okay, so yeah, we're getting this KY again, and again, and again, and again. This one does go into review, and to be honest with you guys, I feel like when items go into, not go into review, but when they're not picked up on your receipt on Shopkick and you have to put a ticket in, it doesn't count. Does that make sense? I think that's why I have the KY still, and I think that's why I have the Dove Men Care, because it doesn't go through, so they have to put a ticket in, so kind of like it doesn't count. Because I normally get like, what, 4 or 5 resets, and I feel like I've been doing this KY for a minute now. But anyways, listen, it's priced at $4.47. I finally got this coupon from Ip Fairies, and I was so excited when I saw that one of the 3 that I do go to posted it. So we're gonna pay $1.47 out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4, making this a $2.53 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. It's priced at $9.96. Now this one did pop up on Ibotta for me, but it disappeared from Tada. So I'm hoping that it reappears. I'm gonna probably do this on a transaction by itself. It's priced at $9.96. We're gonna grab 1 of them, and then we're gonna get back $3.50 on Ibotta. We're also going to be getting back $5 on coupons.com. You can either submit on coupons.com, Shopmium, or Alexa. And then we'll get back $5, hopefully, on Tada. I'm crossing my fingers. I do have fetch rewards as well for $1.20 when you spend $12 and I have 2 of those. Hopefully, if everything works out, it reappears on Tada. It'll make this a $5.94 moneymaker. So next deal may not be the greatest deal for you, but since this is the flossers that we use and my little container's running low, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it. It's on the Oral-B Glide Floss Picks. They're priced at $3.96, and you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, so it'll make it only $1.96. This next deal is on the Swagbucks. Gatsby hair dye. It's on the metallics as well as the bleach it up, which I've kind of put on the floor here. So for this deal, their shelf price for $11.97. I'm gonna see if I can price match the online price, which for the metallics is $9, and for the bleach it is $9.52. So hopefully, if I can price match the both of them, I'll end up paying $18.57 out of pocket. But then I'm going to get back $4 for each on Ibotta. Also get back $4 on Shopmium, and then submit $4 on coupons.com for the other one. There's 10-cent any hair dye as well on Ibotta, plus a $1 bonus for buying the 2. So we should get back a total of $17.10, I want to say. It'll make them about 73 cents each, I want to say. And so hopefully I'm able to price match it. I know they get kind of funny when it's around the holiday season, and so yeah, but not a bad deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this deal. I'm not gonna do it, but I figured, you know what, if it's something you want to try, it's a good time. These are priced at $14.88, and for this you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You end up paying $29.76 out of pocket, but you'll get back $16 on Tada, and then $3.72 times 2 on checkout 51, bringing the total down to about $3.16 each, which is definitely not bad if this is something you really want to try. And they actually have these really interesting ones, you know. And so yeah, I was gonna go ahead and do the Mucinex nasal spray again, but my store is completely out of them. They're priced at $8.97, and for this deal you're gonna go ahead and grab 1 of them. You'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta, $3 on Tada, $3 on checkout 51, and you'll be submitting on Shopkick for 710 kicks, which is $2.84, making this a $1.87 moneymaker. Now there is still a $5 rebate. I'll link it for you guys in the description box. You'll get back $5, making that a much bigger moneymaker. And so yeah, the last thing I'm gonna grab is the Astro Pro. It's priced at $14.98, and we want the 6D count for children. Those are none of those. It's funny, they're all in the wrong place. Like the adult ones are here. I believe those are the adult ones. These are the children ones. Over here they have some more adult ones, but they have some children mixed in there too, which is where I got mine's at. So with this deal, we're gonna go ahead and grab 1 priced at, again, $4.98, which is right here. There is a $2 coupon from their website that you can print. You'll end up paying $12.98 out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back, well, I have 2 separate rebates on Fetch Reward for $5 each, and then there's also $4 back on Ibotta, so it'll make it a $1.01 moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I'm trying to get it all in the frame. So everything worked out good, alright? You see the soda. I mean, I talked about it in my last video. It's Vons and Albertsons, and I believe that the kicks have since dropped, like, extremely. So if you didn't do that deal when it was out, that boat has sailed. All right, so I ended up doing that deal 4 times. I think, was it 4 times? I think I did it 6 times altogether. The other ones are back here, and the rest of them are holding this up. So yeah, so I killed that deal. I killed that deal. There was a couple times it said duplicate receipt. I had to put a ticket in, and I got my kicks. And so everything worked out as far as that. What else? A few things. So With the Lysol, I wanted it to count towards my bonus, so I only used 3 coupons, so that way I would at least get credit for one of them, but I actually ended up getting credit for all of them on Ibotta. What else? This one right here, that worked out perfectly. Got back the $10 on Fetch Reward, got back the $4 on Ibotta. I showed you guys this in the video. I did buy the 4-pack. It was $7.49. I did get that back through the Venmo freebie. So that's just a heads up on that. What I did is I did it on a transaction by itself, submitted it through for the Venmo, the free one. And then when it came through that I got it, then I submitted that receipt on Ibotta. Otherwise, if I hadn't got it on Venmo, I would have just went ahead and just returned it. And I wouldn't have to worry about Ibotta on that. The other single bars, I got back $2.18 for 2 of them and $1.39 for the other one. But I believe those receipts are still processing. And I noticed that that rebate, it is 1 per transaction, but when you share your link, which I share my link for you guys, when you guys use that link, it gives me a free one. So I think I'm up to like, honestly, like I'm up to like 114, 115 right now, which I know I'll never use, but I was happy to be able to get the larger box. And that worked for me, which was really, really awesome. As far as Checkout 51 and the Clorox, so I only had 3 more submissions for that on one of my accounts. So I only got back $1.25 for 3 of those. And for the Clorox up here, that submission for that account, I only had 1 more. So I only got back $1.25 for both of those. McCain quick fries I got from Vons again. That's in the dock. And this with one of my Fetch accounts, it was a limit of 3 per receipt, but the other one, it was a limit of 1 per receipt. So I've been just doing that one at a time. So everything that you see here retails $209.18. This is $11.60 in sales tax. The CRV for the sodas for $48.25 in coupons. Only thing you don't see on the table is the Doritos, which I had 14 bags because I stacked this with the Red Bull, not Red Bull, with the Rockstar. And then the other bag is the Lay's, which are the Lay's were from Vons. That 3 off of 5 printable does work at Vons. You buy 6 of them. Same as if you were at CVS. You buy 6 of them, and they all end up being free. All right, on that deal. And so yeah. So anyway, so I had $48.25 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $160.93. I got back $58.35 from Ibotta. We got back $79.20 from Shopkick. And I do have tickets, you guys. I have tickets. The KY and the Dove Men Care is, you got to put a ticket in every single time you do that deal. So just expect that. $24.20 from Tada, $6 from Swagbucks, $6.50 from Checkout 51. Venmo is $13.23. Fetch Reward was $16.60. And coupons.com is $8. So we ended up getting back $212.08, making everything you see here a $51.15 moneymaker. That's the $160.93 minus what I got back in rebates, okay? The out-of-pocket $160.93 is a lot, but we are rolling rebate money, all right? So, but that is my out-of-pocket. And then again, getting back $212. So $51.15 moneymaker. Now, if you include tax plus CRV, it's still a $35 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. That's basically it. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. If I don't do another video before Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.